simplify another fraction that has a lot more factor pairs. Let's look at 12/24, so 12/24. Once again, I'm going to draw, and I'm going to try and figure out all the different factor pairs of both the numerator and the denominator. Let's start with 12. I know that the first factor pair is 1 times 12. I also know that 2 times 6 equals 12. And I also know that 3 times 4 equals 12. These are all of the different factor pairs of 12. Now let's look at the denominator. I know that my first factor pair is going to be 1 times 24. I also know that 2 times 12 equals 24. I know that 3 times 8 equals 24. And I know that 4 times 6 equals 24. These are all the different factor pairs of 24 and all the different factor pairs of 12. Once again, we have to go back and circle all of the different factor pairs that they have in common. I know that they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. There are no other factor pairs that they have in common. So once again, I'm going to take the largest factor pair that they have, which happens to be 12. Since I'm simplifying, I know that I'm using division, so let's draw our division sign, and let's put our new fraction that we created, and that's 12 over 12. This numerator has to be the same as the denominator. So, let's take our numerator divided by our new numerator and get our new fraction, which is 1. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. Let's take our denominator 24 divided by 12, and that equals 2. I just found that if I want to simplify 12/24 to get it into its smallest form, it would be the same thing as 1/2.